हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे मैं आपको डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट समझाना चाहती हूँ. डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट इज अ थिंग लाइक व्हेन वी वांट टू से समथिंग, when the first person is talking to the second person and the second person is saying something to the first person and that is conveyed to the third person, then the speech got changed. So this is indirect speech. Whatever is said by the first person become the second person, and second person whatever is said by the second person become the third person. So it depends on the situation. So what are the rules and regulations? We will go through this. So first of all, I would like to tell you how this get changed. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस पास्ट टेंस में बदल जाता है. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट पास्ट परफेक्ट, पास्ट सिंपल पास्ट परफेक्ट, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस इन पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. फ्यूचर विल चेंजेस इनटू वुड, can changes into could, may, might, must, had to. So this got changed. Also the rule number 2 is we change the direct speech into indirect. When we change it, we remove inverted commas. We also remove inverted commas and then we connect the sentence with that. If the sentence is assertive, then normally said changes into told, replied, answered, stated, declare, blah blah. And when the sentence is interrogative, then the said changes into asked, questioned, inquired, interrogated, etc. And if the sentence is imperative, then the said, which comes in the direct speech, when we are turning the sentence into indirect speech, that said will change into requested, order, command, advised, appeal, directed, guided. And when the sentence is into exclamatory, then the said will change into exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with surprise, exclaimed with wonder, exclaimed with pain and sorrow, etc. Rule number 3 is talking about how the persons changes, and then you go through this, you will understand. Third person IV changes into E. It's not compulsory, it depends on the situation, but here I have just given the example so you may understand this. Then there is the changes of tense forms, which I have already told you. Present continuous changes into past continuous, present perfect past perfect, present perfect continuous past perfect continuous, simple past into past perfect, past continuous past perfect continuous, past perfect remains past perfect continuous remains past perfect, because after that we cannot show what was said, what had been done. So this is stuff like, so that's why there is no scope, it remains the same. Then there are the time which we also changes. This changed into that, then these changed into those, here, there, now, then, thus, so, today, that day, tonight, that night, this week, that week, yesterday, that day or previous day, last week, previous week, tomorrow, following day, or tomorrow is the following day, next week is the following week. So this changes in this way. So here I will begin with the assertive sentences. Suma said to Samarth, I tried letters to my friend. So said to her, that's why it changed into told. So now Suma told Samarth that she wrote letters to her friends. This way you can understand. This is simple present tense. This is continuous tense. I am writing letters to my friend. So said to again changed into told. She was writing letters to her friends. Present continuous, past continuous. Then Suma said to Samarth, I have written. This is present perfect. And this changed into past perfect, had plus verb key, third form. And then again past perfect present perfect continuous. I have been writing letters to my friend. This changed into past perfect continuous, had plus been plus verb key, first form of the verb and ing and rest of the sentence. Then past, I wrote letters to my friends. This changed into she had written letters to her friends. Past changed into past perfect. Past continuous, I was writing letters to my friends, changed into she had been. Past perfect continuous, this is same, that's why it is also skipped. Normally we don't say past continuous changed into past perfect, but now you will see. I had written letters to my friend, she had written, it remained the same because we cannot change this. Then only we can change the subject. You can see subject is changed, the front language is changed, that is put, inverted commas are removed. You can do that if some questions appear in the exam related to past perfect. Then past perfect continuous is also same, only the subject is changed, inverted commas are removed, that is used, and like this. So this is the best way to show. Then future simple, I shall write letters to my friends, shall or will changes into would. I shall be writing, future continuous, would be writing, only the would and be, the rest sentence is same, subject is changed, inverted commas are removed. I shall have written letters to my friend, then I would have. She would have written letters to, only the she, and would have, the rest is the same, it is not changing. Then I shall have been writing letters, she would have been writing letters to her friends. So this is same. Then we can see the sentence containing can could. We can see there is an example of can. I can write letters to my friend. This changed into told, because there is a to. So Suma told Samar that she could write letters to her friend. Then there is example, I have to write letters to my friend, and this changed into I had to. Whether it is must or whether it is have to, both changes into had to. So this you have to keep in your mind. Then there are again interrogative examples. I'll take WH words and helping verbs. So you can see Sudha said to Suman, why are you laughing loudly? So we will remove inverted commas. WH word remain the same. Suma said to Sumant, why are you laughing loudly? So Sudha asked, she's asking why he was laughing loudly. So you is for Sumant. You changes into he. Why remains same. There is no use of that, because we don't use that in the interrogative sentences. So why he was laughing loudly. Present continuous changed into past continuous. It is very simple. Only you have to remember the rules. Keep this in your mind. Then we have Andy said to the postmaster, will you give me the letter? Andy asked the postmaster if he would. Postmaster would give him the letter. This is the way you can change it. Then Andy said to, postmaster said to Andy, who do you want it for? The postmaster asked Andy who he wanted it for, right? Then we can see other examples of, yes, I forgot to tell you this. If you are beginning your sentence with have, or you are beginning your sentence with helping verb, I mean to say, you can use if or whether. You can use if or whether. So will is used, that's why I used if. Inverted commas will be removed, question tag will be removed, there is full stop now. Same, if we are using have you, one for me, then Doofy asked the postmaster if. You is used for postmaster if he had, because have present perfect changed into past perfect, he had one for him. Me changes into him. So this you have to understand. First apply with yourself and then make the sentences. Then there is a other form of sentences, imperative sentences, when we order, command, request somebody to do something. So here I have given some examples. Asha said to Vishwanath, give me a pen. Asha requested Vishwanath to give her a pen. Normally imperative sentences are changed into indirect by using to and removing inverted commas. These are so easy, just you have to keep in mind where to put to. If it is order, you will put ordered. If it is a request, you will put requested. If it is a command, you will put commanded. So this way you will change it. For example, other I am taking, Mohan said, Ravi, give up drinking, you will be healthy. So Mohan is giving advice here, right? So Mohan advised Ravi to give up drinking so that he would be healthy. Here the will would change into would, and that is connected because sentence is, this is different sentence, right? And that is in future tense. So this we can make by that, he and would. You can understand this structure. Then exclamatory sentences are there. Suhail said, hooray, India has won the series against England. So Suhail exclaimed with joy. When it is joy, we will say exclaimed with joy. That we will connect it with that. Inverted commas removed, rest sentence will remain same. Has won, present perfect will change into past perfect. Full stop. Then again we can see Miss Pooty said, I cut my finger. Mrs. Pooty cried with pain that she had cut her finger. simple past, past perfect. So this way you can see Priya said, what a cold night it is. Surprise, you can say. So Priya exclaimed with surprise or wonder that it was a cold night. What a cold night? It was a cold night because it is expressing wonder, right? So you already given what, पहले से wonder में change हो गया है. So you don't have to need to write what. Keep this in mind. Then many examples are there. Please go through the PPT. I have already told you. I'll just give one or two more examples to you which are important. I can give one or two examples which are talking about certain things which I wanted to convey. Like if there is a present tense outside, yes, these are the examples. If the reporting verb is in the present tense or future tense, when the reporting verb, which is the sentence, opening sentence, is in the present or future tense, then there is no change in the tense of the reported speech. Also, if there is a universal fact, if there is a habitual action, blood is red, it cannot be said blood was red. Stars are twinkling, it cannot be said stars were twinkling. So this is like this way. So you can't make indirect speech of the universal facts. So I said here, Suma says to Samar, I write letters. Suma tells Samar, because this is present tense, so it will change into present tense only. That will be put, inverted commas will be removed, and she writes a letter because she, and that's why it is S या ES. Then Suma will say to Samar, this is future tense, I write letters. So Suma will tell. Will say to will change into tell. Say to always change into tell. Said to told. Suma will tell Samar that she writes a letter. So this you have to keep in mind. There is no exception to this rule. If the sentence is a universal truth, then the sentence should be changed, should not be changed. Like Suma said to Samar, blood is red. Suma said to changes into told Samar, that is put, inverted commas removed. Rest sentence is same. You cannot make past of the sentence which are universal, which are habitual, which are factual. And if there is a present tense outside, you cannot change the sentence as well. That's all about direct indirect. Please go through this. Thank you so much.